Hey, welcome back guys to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a graph in Power App Canvas app. In this tutorial, I'll show you the percentage of sales amount specific to a city. I have this list where I have the sales amount and the city. This city is the drop down choice column, and for that specific city, we have the sales amount. So here, if you will see, we have the sales amount in percentage. For an example, Chennai have 45 percentage, Delhi have 9.5, Bangalore have 19.7, something like that. We have legend available. I have already created some, getting the sum of sales amount in a previous tutorial of this series. So if you haven't watched that, I'll recommend you to watch that first. I'll add the link in a description. Talking about this, we have the percentage, and this is how it is. Like, it is very simple, and currently this is only pie chart. I will create line and column chart as well, and I'll show you how it works. What I'll do, I will close this and we'll start with creating the new app. I'll close this, Power App. I'll go to app, design, blank canvas app. And here I'll rename it as graph percentage sales, and also we have to add the data here. So SharePoint, this, and city sales, and I will connect. And now what I will do, I will add the chart. We have pie, line, and column. I'll add the pie chart. We have this, and I will drag this down. Legend, I will drag this down, and pie chart will be some on top. And now what we have to do, on visible of this, we have to write the code. Clear, collect, call city percent, comma, width, round bracket, open close, curly bracket, open close, total sum, city sales amount. After this, after the closing of round bracket, we have the curly bracket, open close, comma, then for all, round bracket, open close, distinct, round bracket, open close, city sales, comma, city dot value, comma, curly bracket, open close. I will format this so you will have better view. You can see this is how it is. Clear, collect, call city percentage, width. We will be getting the total. I mean, we'll get the sum, and then we have to get in percentage as well. But before that, what we have to do, we have to get this in a city, right? So city value and round bracket open close and text, and I will close it here. The text, we still have to close this. I will show you when we have to close, but this and round open close, then we will have the sum filter open close city sales comma city dot value is equal to value, and after this I will add the comma sales amount slash total into 100. This way we will get the percentage. We haven't saved our app name, so I'll give this also name as sales graph percent, and I will save it. And here we will have comma and 1. I will again format this. We'll go down. After 1 we have the closing of this round, and after round we will have the closing of this text, and here we will concat and ampersand double quotes, we will add the percentage sign and we will close it. I will add the comma here. I'll save this. Now we are done with this. What we have to do, we have to add the total sales. Now we have got the data for city. We'll now do this sales sum open close filter city sales comma city dot value is equal to value comma sales amount. I guess we are done with all the code and everything, and this is how it will be. I will expand this. Here we are doing the percentage. We are getting that data in a percentage with the distinct of city. Here we are getting the total sales and everything. And now what we have to do, I will close this. But before that, I have to get this. And here in the pie chart, we have to go to items, and here we have to add this. And in legend also, we have to add this. I will save it. We won't be able to see anything right now, but I'll show you when we will be able to see the title we have. We can remove this. We can delete this title. We can save it again. Let's come back and let's check again. We'll refresh this. So now we have got the sales graph percentage. I will again edit this. We are in read only, so I will overwrite this. And if you can see now, we have the percentage available which we were getting earlier. Mumbai was 20.9, Chennai was this and all. But if you can see the color, which is not, not an aesthetic color, it is looking very childish and all. So what we will do, we will go to the item color set, and I have this color set available. You can get it from the description. I will remove it and I will add it here. And now this is also updated. Now if you will see, this is how it looks. This looks good. The Chennai is in yellow color, Mumbai is in some black color, Delhi and all. This looks good. I will do it as will do it as 20, and this will be 15, and I will save it. Now that we are done with this, we will work on line chart. We'll go to new screen, blank app, and here it will be graph line chart sales line chart. I will make it a bit bigger. Okay, and that's it. We have the legend here. We will be doing it till here. The line chart will, okay, it will be till here. This is how it looks. And same way, whatever we have written in on visible of this, we'll just copy it, and we will paste it on the on visible of this, right? And here we will add this items, we will add it, and in legend also we will add not color set but items. We'll add this, and this is how it will be. If I run it, this is how it looks. We have everything in percentage. You can, resize the font and all. I will delete this. Will be 15. This will be 20. And now I will save it. And now the last one that we have is graph column chart sales column chart now again same way, whatever we have added on visible, we will add it here in the column chart on visible, add it here, and we'll get this call city percentage. Can give it another name for each collection? I mean, if you are doing it in a column, if you are doing it in a line chart or pie chart, I'm just showing it to you so you can understand better. That's all. So here we have to select the column chart and items, add this legend, add this, and again number of series item gaps we will add 2, and again the same way you can add the font size as 15, this will be 20. 20, or maybe you can just shift it bit up, and this is how it will be. You can, again give the color accordingly. You can get it from here and you can add it to the color set, so it will look more interactive. This looks good. So this is how it is, like we have the percentage. So that's it, guys. That is it with this tutorial with the percentage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you and bye.